Hello, dear friends. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Dubai Luxe Living. We truly appreciate your support and love bringing you the best luxury living experiences from the heart of Dubai. Today, we're thrilled to showcase our beautifully furnished apartment that blends style, comfort, and elegance. Designed for those who appreciate modern luxury, this stunning space offers breathtaking views and a premium lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a short-term getaway, a monthly rental, or a long-term home, this apartment has everything you need for a sophisticated and convenient stay. Featuring high-end interiors and world-class amenities, this property is perfect for business travelers, vacationers, or anyone looking to experience Dubai in style. Imagine waking up to panoramic city views, indulging in top-notch facilities, and feeling right at home in a space designed for ultimate comfort. Stay tuned as we take you on a full tour of this incredible apartment. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking Dubai living experiences. Contact us 97156212660.